Ever wondered how the sharks on Shark Tank turn small investments into massive profits? In this video, we'll break down 5 key investment tips straight from the minds of these multimillionaires. Invest in what you know. Whether it's tech, real estate, or retail, stick to industries you understand. It's easier to spot good deals when you have first-hand knowledge. Investments take time to grow, but you've got to keep pushing. Daymond John believes in patience, but staying proactive. Don't expect overnight success. Nurture your investments and stay ahead of trends. Kevin O'Leary, a renowned investor and entrepreneur, often emphasizes the importance of diversification in your investment portfolio. However, he also cautions against spreading your resources too thin. The key to successful investing is balance. If you invest in too many different places, you risk losing focus and diluting your potential returns. Instead, it's wiser to choose a few solid opportunities that you believe in and invest deeply in them. This way, you can manage your investments more effectively and increase your chances of substantial returns. Remember, it's not just about spreading your money around, it's about making strategic, well-informed decisions. Sometimes the best investment is the one you don't make. Barbara Corcoran is known for being selective. She always says, "Don't get emotionally attached." If a deal doesn't feel right, walk away. Robert Herjavec believes the true value of an investment comes from the people behind it. It's not just about the idea or the product, it's about the team that brings it to life. A great idea can fail with the wrong team, as conflicts and lack of cohesion can derail even the most promising projects. But a good team can turn any idea into gold. When people work well together, they can overcome obstacles and innovate in ways that a weak team cannot. Invest in people who are passionate and hardworking. Look for those who are dedicated, resilient, and willing to go the extra mile. Their commitment and energy can make all the difference in achieving success. Ready to make your next big investment? Focus on the people behind the ideas. Subscribe to our channel for more investment tips and insights.